Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going to tell about all three Newton's laws. So first let's talk about the founder of Newton's laws. It's Isaac Newton. So the first person to really figure out forces was the English scientist Sir Isaac Newton, 1642 to 1727. Newton was a full-tempered oddball who hated people and spent an awful lot of time alone carrying out weird experiments and thinking endlessly about things like gravity. Peculiar thought he undoubtedly was he was also brilliant, and he figured out how gravity controls the movement of the planets. His theory hinged on three simple laws that explain how forces make everything move. So there's three Newton's laws. So first let's see about Newton's first law. So what is Newton's first law? His first law states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. So now let's see an explanation video of that I made about Newton's first law. So here we go.
So as you can see here, I have this Hot Wheels car right now in this cardboard. So I'm going to push it and let's see where it goes. And I have, here is the wall. So when it touches this, it's supposed to stop. But before that, it's supposed to travel at a consistent speed. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it actually stopped. It did travel in a consistent speed. I didn't get the shot of that. But Newton's first law, it's correct. But anyway, gravity, friction, it's all just touching it. So there's not so much possibilities. If this was a real car, there's only some chance because if it goes on water and loses grip, the friction will be low, so it'll be better. But for now, hopefully this proves it.
So hopefully you understand about Newton's first law. So just to explain it again, I'll explain it. So an object which is moving will keep on moving at a consistent speed unless some force like gravity or drag. And if you want to know more about drag, check out my video about aerodynamics. I'll put its link in the description. So unless some gravity, friction, drags makes the car slow down, it'll keep on moving in that same speed. But obviously you don't feel this all the time, but only if it's raining and your car loses grip, the friction will be low. So that means your car will just not just slow down so much and all. So next, let's see Newton's second law. So here we go. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly related to the net force and inversely related to its mass. Acceleration of an object depends on two things: force and mass. So now let's see an explanation video of Newton's second law. Here we go.
So as you guys can see here, today I'm going to show you the proof of Newton's second law. So you have this one football. You can take a basketball or football, whatever you want, and a lighter ball. So I took this because this is closer to the size of the football. This is the best size I could get. So now, according to Newton's second law, I'm supposed to roll the two balls, and the plastic ball, the lighter ball, it's supposed to go faster. Let's check it out. So we'll line them correctly. Yes. 3, 2, 1. I don't think you guys actually got that, but the plastic ball actually lightly just won the plastic ball. So right now, just look at this. The plastic ball is actually still moving. So here's the football and here is the plastic ball. If you can see, I'm actually right now moving forward. Just come backward and come here, and here is it, the football. So now let's get to the Newton's third law.
So as I told in the video, now let's get to Newton's third law. His third law states that for every action force in nature, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In other words, if object A exerts a force on object B, then object B also exerts an equal and opposite force on object A. So now let's see an explanation video of Newton's third law. So here we go.
According to Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So, what I am going to do now is I am just going to stand and I am going to spin like this. And what says Newton's third law works is, if I spin and when I stop, I should be feeling like I am spinning. So every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So let's start. So I'm right now going to start spinning. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so you can see me I'm spinning. So I should stop in another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was wild. So I hope you actually get that, because I am actually right now feeling so dizzy. I'm trying my best not to act like I'm feeling dizzy. So hopefully you understood Newton's third law.
So again, let me just repeat the three laws. So Newton's first law, his first law states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. So Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly related to the net force and inversely related to its mass. Acceleration of an object depends on two things: force and mass. So Newton's third law. His third law states that for every action force in nature, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In other words, if object A exerts a force on object B, then object B also exerts an equal and opposite force on object A. So that's it for today. Bye bye.